Japan Airlines Flight 123 was a domestic flight that tragically crashed on August 12, 1985. The Boeing 747 SR en route from Tokyo to Osaka suffered a basic structural failure 12 minutes after takeoff. A rear pressure had ruptured, leading to the loss of hydraulic system, re-ending the plane uncontrollable. Despite the efforts of the flight crew to stabilize the aircraft, the plane ultimately crashed into Mount Takemanger in the Japan Alps. Of the 5 to 4 people on board, 520 perished, making it the deadliest single plane crash in Japan history and the second deadliest aviation accident at the time. The disaster was attributed to a combination of factors, most not by the failure to properly repair the aircraft following a previous takeoff. The incident saved air early. The crash remains a key moment in aviation safety, influencing improvement in both aircraft design and emergency response produced. Remarkable service were found among the wrecked, though their injuries were severe. The investigation revealed serious issues with the aircraft's maintenance, leading to change in both detail of the incident. The aircraft, a Boeing 747 SR, took off from Tokyo Haneda Airport at 6:12 p.m. local time, bound for Osaka. Around 12 minutes into the flight, while the plane was crossing at 24,000 feet, the rear pressure bulkhead required, creating a large hole in the fuel. This rupture caused an explosive documentary and led to the loss of plane hydraulic system, which were essential for controlling the aircraft ailerons, elevators, and roads. Without hydraulics, the flight crew lost the ability to properly control the aircraft flight path. The crew, led by Captain Tozetti, attempted to handle the situation for over 30 minutes, making repeated efforts to regain control. Despite the efforts to use the plane limited electrical power to control the aircraft, the damage was too extensive. The plane flight controls were largely disabled, and the plane began to oscillate unmelted, making it near impressive to management. Cause of the crash. The investigation led by the Japanese Ministry of Transport revealed a history of maintenance problems with the aircraft. The most significant factor was a 1978 strike incident at Osaka Airport, where the aircraft tail section was damaged when it hit the runway during takeoff. After the inside